Yo, what's up mga ka-Off Duty Lights and Sound? So another service na naman tayo ngayon. Basic lights and sound setup, good for mga 80 to 100 guests. And makikita nyo guys na indoor yung ating setup dito ngayon. Kaya naman, eto na yung naging setup natin guys. Dalawang PLX15 ang ating sinet up natin dito guys. At saka apat na LP001. Tsaka ginamit ko pala guys is wireless transmitter at saka receiver para iwas disgrasya tayo kapag wire yung ginamit natin. So ito yung setup ko sa aking booth. Meron tayong laptop, 12 channel na mixer, tapos dalawang wireless microphone. Tsaka yung controller ko guys sa aking ilaw. Diyan yung receiver ng wireless microphone. At sa aking processor at amplifier, ACA5. Tapos equalizer na 31 band and power controller. Ayan lang yung baon ko guys.
Wow!
So dito ko lang pinesto yung ibang gamit ko guys kasi andyan yung outlet natin. So para iwas sagi tayo, medyo siksikan pero goods na goods pa rin yan. Alright. So ito na yung naging final setup natin guys. Medyo madilim lang kasi nag-against the light yung cellphone ko but maliwanag to in person. So singit ko lang to guys ha. Itong venue na to is tapat lang talaga ng school. Ito is Holy Cross of Agdao. So dito ako nag high school guys. First year hanggang nag fourth year. So
Wow!
alma mater, ayan. Yung first year high school ako. Ayan, dun banda yung room ko guys.
Dito to yan.
And second year, dito na sa building na to. Malaking school to guys. Ayan. Dati wala pa to. Ayan. Wala pa to. Pero yung ito mga mangga, meron na yan. Ayan.
Bola lang yan.
Miss ko lang yung mga alaala dito guys. Alright. Well, back tayo sa ating event. Meron tayong spinner dito, si Ma'am Rian. Ayan. With our host, Miss Mutia Balileng. Alright. So, magbihis na tayo guys at isuot na natin tong ating uniform para presentable tayo. Kaya't mayat-mayat konti na lang guys at dumadami na yung mga taong pumapasok at later magsisimula na itong event natin. Kaya standby na tayo guys. Alright. Guys, so pinakahihintay natin ang paborito. Alright.
Wow!
Kain na na.
Hello. When I say hello, you have to say hi. All right. Once again, kids, hi and hello. Everybody shout happy. Wow. All right. Para sa ating unang game, unang laro, ito yung tinatawag na pass the balloon game. Eh, ang paikot doon in 3, 2, 1, pass the balloon, go. There you go. Make it faster. Ayun na, kuya, dali. Make it faster, dali. Uy. Pinasa ni Kuya. Okay, sabi ni Kuya, pwede bang 1, pass the balloon, go! Faster! Go! Dito! Yay! Sorry, ate. Bye-bye, ate. Thank you so much for joining. Hard under the clock. Ready, 10, 9, 8, 7, and 1. Ready or not, here I come. Alright. Nakatago na ba lahat? Yes or yes? Unang kulay na matatanggal sa ating game. Bye-bye and thank you so much. You are out. Color. Red. Red. 1, 2, and 3. Bye-bye, color red. Sorry. Ang bilang tanungan mo, ako ang sasagip sa'yo. At hanggang kailangan mo maging di tayo makasama ka muling sa buhay kong mundo ng pag-hirap. At tanging ikaw lamang kumakawi sa pagkaluha na nilalagay aking sa mga labi. First, we have to open the first gift. Picture first before natin bubuksan. Ready? Alright. What's inside? Ano ang nasa loob ng unang regalo? Once again, that was the small. Okay, ito yung pinakamaliit na regalo na nandito sa front from Ninang Maki. Wow! Wow! Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile! Now, let's proceed to the last gift to be opened. Alright, I think eto po yung ating bubuksan na nakabalot. To Kaylee, Alexandra, Happy Christening from Ninong Frances. How about this? Alright, a rubber playmat. From Y&J, kung nandito pa po. And also from Ulfa Duty, Lights and Sounds. Alright, once again, picture taking with the suppliers.
Dito guys, medyo patapos na yung event kaya picture taking na. Alright. Eto guys, at tapos na nga yung event kaya magpa-pack up na tayo. Alright. Guys, so tapos na tayo, nakapag-pack up na tayo. So, ayan, parang ulan. Okay, so, hanggang sa muli. Mga ka-audio Lights and Sounds. Alright. Ayan guys, so tapos na yung event. So, pauwi na tayo. Ayan, so Saturday ngayon, so Sunday bukas. Family day, so sa bahay lang ako.
Hindi totoo yan.
Ayan, or gagawa tayo ng speaker box. So, tuloy natin yung ginawa nating D15 na MCB na parang e-box or e-box na parang MCB. Ayan, so pauwi na tayo guys. So, hanggang sa susunod na event mga ka-audio Lights and Sounds. Alright.